Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is data analysis with data analytics, roadmaps and career pathways. We will clear a very common confusion. What is the difference between data analysis and data analytics? Are they the same? Which one should a medical researcher, biostatistician or hospital data professional choose? And most importantly, what is the roadmap for each? Let's begin. In medical research, hospital audits, AI-based diagnosis, and public health studies, data is everywhere, but many people use the terms data analysis and data analytics interchangeably. In reality, they are related but not identical. Data analysis. Simple definition. Data analysis is the process of cleaning data, summarizing data, applying statistical tests, and interpreting result. Focus. What happened? What did it happen? Common in medical research, clinical trials, epidemiology, and thesis and article publication. Data analytics. Simple definition. Data analytics is a broader field that includes data analysis, visualization, predictive modeling, decision support, business, and clinical insights. Focus what happened, why, what will happen next, what should we do. Use of data analytics, hospital management, health informatics, AI-based diagnostics, policy and decision making. Data analysis with data analytics comparison table. Features. Scope. Narrow scope of data analysis and broad scope of data analytics. The data analysis goal is understand the data and the data analytics goal is drive decisions. The question in data analysis: what and why, and what, why, what next. Data analysis tools are SPSS, R, Excel, and data analytics tools are Python, SQL, Power BI. The output of data analysis is tables, p-values, and conclusion and results. And the output of data analytics is dashboards, models. The users of data analysis is researchers and data analytics user is analyst and decision makers. Data analysis roadmap, beginner to advanced. Step-by-step roadmaps are statistics foundation, research methods, statistical softwares, statistical tests, interpretations, and reporting. Best for medical students, researchers, biostatisticians, MPH and PhD scholars. Data analytics roadmap, beginner to advanced. Step-by-step data analytics roadmap, data literacy, programming, SQL, data visualization, advanced analytics, decision making. Best for health data analysts, hospital administrators, AI and informatics professionals. In data analytics, step 1 is data literacy. In data literacy, first of all, knowledge about types of data, database, descriptive and inferential statistics, and data quality. The second steps in data analytics is programming. We have different program softwares like Python, R, and different libraries, pandas, numpy, and data manipulations. Step 3 in data analytics is SQL, database softwares, data extraction, data queries, and joins. In data analytics, step 4 is data visualization. There are many software for data visualization like Power BI, Tabula, Matplotlib, Seaborn. In step 5 advanced analytics, machine learning, predictive models, AI in healthcare. Sixth step in data analytics is decision making. Dashboards, key performance indicator trackings, and forecasting is the main component of decision making. Highly important in medical and hospital context. Explain with examples. Data analysis. Does drug A significantly reduce blood pressure compared to drug B? Data analytics. Which treatment strategy will reduce hospital admission next year? Future trends. The future is not data analysis or data analytics. The future is the combining both, especially with AI. Recommendation start with data analysis, progress towards data analytics, finally integrate AI in healthcare. If you found this lecture useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your research colleagues.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.